What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to come your way again. It's quite some time, about 2 weeks now. I'm really sorry I was offline doing some things just for your own good, guys. So I'm glad to be back, and today I'm so excited to reveal something very important to you. I know a lot of you have been asking how can I make transaction online now that Nigeria Central Bank is not allowing us to make online payments without having some certain amount in our dollar card, and also there's a limit to how much you can make with your transaction you can do with your card. Okay, I think it's about $20 per day or per week or thereabouts. Okay, so there's this good news I want to break to you guys. It's a very big good news, because with what I'm about to show you, you'll be able to make any transaction online, and you'll be able to without limit. Okay, without any limits. That's what I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to take it step by step. I'm going to show you from beginning to start. Okay, but before I get into this video, in case you are just coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, Smart Money Empire, which was smart multiple stream of income before, but I decided to change it to this because the channel name was too long. So now it is SME, Smart Money Empire. Just come over here and hit the subscribe button, okay? And after doing that, turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos again. So if you are able to do that, now let's get into what I have for you today, guys. Now, I think some days ago I got an email from this site. Let me show you the site. Okay, from 𝐷𝐷.co by their CEO. Okay, 𝐻𝐴𝐷𝐿 was the one that sent me the email. Okay, and this is the content of the email. This is the body of the email. Say, "Hi Anthony, virtual cards are now available." Actually, this is what we've been waiting for from 𝐷𝐷. And now they've decided to release it, guys. Virtual cards are now live. Okay, the one question I've gotten over the past years, I'm not reading the body of the email to you guys, is when will virtual cards be available? I know it's been long overdue. Of course, I know very much of you would have heard about Payoneer, MasterCard and the rest. Okay, but now 𝐷𝐷 has now released their own virtual card too. So that's why it brings me so much joy. Drum rolls please to announce that virtual cards are now available on 𝐷𝐷. I'm so excited, guys. This is good news for us Nigerians. Now 𝐷𝐷 users can create USD cards to shop online and pay for subscription directly from their USD balance. So once you log into the app, tap to create card and get yours today. You don't need to request for an account. Get it now. Okay, so now this is what we're going to do. Okay, let's just forget about all this. You can take time to read it by yourself, guys. So let just saw this video will not be too long. I'll just go right into it on how to create this virtual card. So now, one thing I want you to do is, if you have not watched this video, I created a video some time ago on how to start dollar arbitrage in Nigeria, step-by-step method. Okay, this is the video. So if you have not watched that video, go ahead and watch it. You understand what dollar arbitrage is really all about, and that is when this video will be useful to you. So I want you to go over and watch this particular dollar arbitrage video. If you have not watched it, it may not make sense out of what I'm talking about now. So you should go ahead and watch this video. You will appreciate what I'm teaching right now. Okay, so just take time to go through it and you understand better. So now, if you have watched this video, I will assume that you already have a 𝐷𝐷 account. You already know how to set up a 𝐷𝐷 account, how to set up Payoneer account, how to set up 𝐷𝐷 account and the rest. Okay, so I will not waste much time on that. I'll just go ahead and log into my 𝐷𝐷 account and we start get going. So now I'm in my 𝐷𝐷 account. If you come to home here, you see, so this is my 𝐷𝐷 account. This is my balance. I have Britain pounds. Okay, it's a bit loading. Okay, you can see this is my British pounds account. This is my euro account. This is my USD account. This is the amount I have currently available balance. This is my GBP account. This is my Kenya account, Uganda, Tanzania, all of that. Then this is my Naira account, Nigeria account. Okay, this is my current balance on my grey account that I have on my grey account. Okay, so now if you come over here, you see this only is balance, this account and report, this transaction, this visual card. Hit on this visual card, you can see it says green visual card. Instantly creates a prepaid visual card to make online payments easily on all your favorite sites. Okay, so what you do next now to hit on this create visual card. So you now select, is it a visual debit card or a physical debit card? Now right now physical debit card is coming soon. It's not really available yet. So we're going to create a visual debit card and go ahead and hit on that. So now I'm going to enter my BVN before I can continue. So let me pause the video while I enter my BVN account number. Okay, so now I've entered my BVN number. Now to create your one-time visual card, it requires a one-time payment. As you can see here, you'll be charged a one-time fee of $1 for card creation, and also additional $2 will be deducted from your balance to fund your card. Okay, so if you agree, click on yes, create my virtual card. If it's no, take me back. So we are going to yes, because I have some dollars in my USD account, so I'm going to create my virtual card. Okay, so it's going to create it. So let's wait for some time while it loads. Okay, so you see card request is processing. So once they are done processing the card, you can see my card now is ready. It says which card balance. You can see my card balance is $2, which they've deducted from my USD. Before now I have about 3.62 on my USD balance. Now they've removed $1 to create the card and $2 is left on my virtual card. So this is basically how to create your virtual card that you can use to transact without limit online. Okay, gone are the days to start looking for Payoneer, you start looking for Nigeria card, GT Bank, Zenith Bank. No, with this gray virtual card, you can now start creating doing transaction online without limit. And you can see it's so much good that my expiry date is until 2025. So before that time, I'll have done a lot of transaction that will be good for me. And it says card status active. Okay, so this is the billing address and all of that. The receipt code is there, the card CVV is there, card number, everything is there. So when you want to do transaction, all you just do is to copy it and go ahead and do your transaction. So I've not done any transaction. As you can see, I just created it. Say card control. You can decide to freeze the card if you notice that maybe your card was tampered with, and you can delete the card and create another one. But mind you, you have to make another payment. So you can add money to your card. Let's say if you want to add money to your card, maybe you want to add money from you select the place you want to add balance from. Actually it's USD balance, so you have to fund your USD account on green. So from there you now be able to top up your card. So first of all, you fund your I'm going to explain that you fund your USD card with your maybe your Naira card. Then from there you now transfer it to your card. So let's say for example I want to top up with 0.63. So the minimum amount I can top up with is 2 USD, and the max 1,000. You can top up as high as 1,000. Okay, so there's no limit. So I don't have enough on my USD right now, so I may have to leave this one. So you click on cancel. So our card is ready. You can see now we have $2 on our card. I can use this to make transaction online, to buy things maybe from AliExpress, from another this Alibaba, 𝐷Hgate and Amazon and the rest, to buy things from there. So everything now is set. So if I go back to my balance, for example, Okay, so you can see my USD has come down to 0.63, and my Naira balance is still intact. So guys, that's how to create a virtual card on Grid. So if you like this video, don't forget to come back to my channel to smash the subscribe button if you have not done. So guys, that is how to create your virtual card. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to come here and smash the subscribe button and turn on this notification bell. That way you will not miss any of my videos again. Just click on all and you see subscription added. So that's how to subscribe. Okay, so make sure you subscribe because I'll be releasing another video on how to make money online very soon. So if you've enjoyed this video, just subscribe and I'll be back with more interesting videos. Till we meet again guys, keep winning.